So what's happening YouTube, your boy Tech TRX back in another video, and today we're going to show you the Synco G2. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit the notification bell as well, so you can be notified of next videos to come up tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. We are also doing a giveaway of this for our 25,000 subscribers. So as we approach our 25th subscriber would get the one set of this. So make sure to hit that subscribe button below and hit that notification bell as well for next videos to come. So let's go ahead and unbox this and show you what we got. Here we go. Let's put that on the side for now. Let's open this guy up. So yeah, we've unboxed a Synco, I think G1 must have been. And this is the second version of it, the updated version. This one, the first one was really good, so I expect this one to do as well. So there we go. So right away, comes with the instruction manual right there, and also a carrying case. So I like with Synco is it always comes with this carrying case like this. So that's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and open this up. Very nice actually, eh? It's nice design with it. Leather. Alright, so here we go. So here we see the transmitter and receiver right in the box. So here we go with the Synco G2. Very nice design. Couple of screens right there on each receiver and transmitter. On the receiver side, it has the charging slot right there. The power on button, of course. There you go. Powers up. Very nice. On the side here, it comes with a volume button as well, and also the link button right there as well. There's also the reset button is there if you need to reset it for some reason. There's also the out and the headphones right there. So very nice. So with the headphones, you'll be able to use this as a monitor as well. So that's pretty good. There's also the out, where obviously that will go to your camera. There you go. And then the clip on the back will fit on the shoe on the Panasonic G9 or any camera that you have. Very nice. Now let's go ahead and show you the transmitter of the G2. So as you can see here, it has a mic slot right there, so you can put your lapel in. This will also work by itself. As you can see there, you'll be able to mount with the dead rat just to mount that up there. So that's very nice. It's also the power button right here and the USB slot right there. Very nice, very nice. Reset button. There's the link button as well, like I said. And then this is the, if you want to change it for a static or flat, you'll be able to use it with that as well. Very nice. And then the back has a clip as well, which we can clip on you or wherever. Very good. Same size as well as the for the shoe on any mount that you have. Very nice. Put that on the side for now. There's also a bunch of bags right here. Let's open this guy up. So as you can see here, it comes with a couple of zip locks. It comes with a SIM card tool for some reason, and a little foam right there. There's also the wind back right there. Very nice. And a little clip for the lapel. So with this, like I said, you can use, so here you can take the dead rat that comes in a box, and then you can just mount that right there. Hopefully you guys can see that, and then you can just mount it like that, and you're good to go. Very good. So yeah, this is very nice. You can use this with each other right there. And you don't really need a lapel, but if you want, you could as well. Very nice. Let's open up this side. I'm guessing this comes with the lapel and the charging cable. There we go. So like I said, it comes with the lapel right there. Very nice lengthy cable right there. We're gonna test this out later on each one and see how well it does. Boom. Quite long as well, right? You'll reach down to about, what is that, knee length? Or no, it's about yeah, shin length there, very nice while I'm sitting. That's good. There's also the two cables, USB-C right there to one USB-A, very nice. Put them aside for now. There's also the aux in right here. One for the camera and one for a smartphone, so very nice. So yes, you can use this for smartphone vlogging and also for a DSLR camera or something like that. You'll be able to use it with that. There you go. Today we're going to test it out with our Panasonic G9, and also we're going to test it out compared to the Rode Micro. Right now we are using the Rode Micro mounted on our Panasonic G9. It's about 4 feet away from me, the camera, so just keep that in mind. So to mount this is real easy. As you can see there, the Synco just sits right there on top of the shoe, mounted right there, very nice. The cable just runs in and into the mic jack of the camera. So quite a nice design there, as you could see. And right now we are using the Synco G2. I'm just hand-holding it right now, and let me know what you think. If there's a lot of noise while I'm holding it, I'm not even holding it properly. I'm just holding it as per it is right there. Yeah, so let me know if that's any good or not. That's pretty good. On the front here as well, as I talk, it'll have a meter of how, if it's actually picking it up or not, so that's pretty cool. Another thing that we can test as well is if I mount this on my self right there. So how's that now? Is this better? Let me know in the comments below. This is right now mounted to our Panasonic G9. Compare this to the Rode Micro earlier, so pretty good. Right now, let's see if my moving is actually interfering with this, because if it is, then it's no good, right? You should be able to freely move while this is mounted to you. So let me know what you think of that, if it's any good or not. Now let's go ahead and mount the lapel. Let's see how well it does. Let's go ahead and take that off right there. Here's another test as well without the dead rat up there. I'm just hand-holding it right now, like I said. Let me know what you think, if that's any good or not. There's also the other option, like I said earlier, which is the shirt mount right there. Very nice. I'm gonna move again and see how well it does. This doesn't have the dead rat, like I said earlier, so that's pretty good. Now we're gonna set up our lapel and hook it up to this and see how well it does as well. So real easy to set up there, you know, just a normal lapel there. Mount, take this guy right here, so just clip it right into there like so. We're gonna mount this to our shirt like so, and then this side right here, I'm gonna take our G2 receiver right here, or transmitter, and we're gonna put it on the mic jack. There you go, like so. Boom. So now let me know what you think of the Synco G2. Now we are using the mic from the lapel side, and let me know what you think, if that's any good or not. So let me know in the comments below if this is any good for you or not. I would recommend this definitely for a lot of vloggers out there, and a lot of YouTubers are starting their YouTube channel. This is really good, especially if you don't have to have long wires everywhere. I do like the Rode Micro with the boom mic, but it does interfere with the sounds. For example, when I'm unboxing a bigger things here, it'll pick it up. This one is a lot more your voice, because the mic is right to your face, so it'll pick that up better than the surrounding sounds. So that's pretty good. That's one of the advantage of this. So let me know in the comments below, what else would you use this for, and if this is any good or not. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button as well. Make sure to hit that like button so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.